Welcome to the Analysis Studio. Let me quickly walk you through the basics. See this menu? You can collapse it to give yourself more screen real estate. We also have different color modes, light, dark, and system, so you can choose what's easiest on your eyes. And if you ever need help, just click on the question mark icon next to any feature for quick tips and explanations. On the analysis page, you'll see your score, your organization's score, and how many radars have been completed globally, within your sector, and within your organization. You'll also see your 2 most recent radars. Click the expand icon to dive into the details. You can even name or rename your radars from either view. When you're in the expanded view, clicking on any subcategory will zoom in and show you the related questions and how you scored on each one. We also leverage the power of AI. Based on your latest radar, we'll give you our top 5 AI-powered recommendations to help you boost your score. Down here at the bottom is your maturity chart. This chart visually tracks your organization's progress compared to your sector and the global average. You can zoom in, zoom out, and click the home button to reset the view. From here you can also add your last 2 radars to a folder. We'll talk more about folders in a bit, and you can easily share your radar results with a colleague using the shared link when clicking on the share button under each radar. Let's take a look at the radar library. This is where you'll find a complete history of all your completed radars. Need to find a specific one? You can search by the name you gave it. Or use the date range selector to see all the radars completed within a specific time frame. If you choose a date range and don't see any radars, you'll get a simple "No radars available" message. If no radars are returned, simply select a different date range. Just like on the analysis page, you can share any radar from here, add it to a folder, or expand it for a more detailed view. Let's explore the radar catalog. This is your one-stop shop for all our radar templates. You'll find free radars available to everyone. For our premium and enterprise subscribers, you'll also have access to our exclusive premium radar templates, as well as your radars, which are the ones you've authored through the Radar Architect. From here, you can delete any radars you've personally created. To see the details of any radar, just click the Expand button. Then, click on a subcategory to see the questions, answers, and the associated score. Sharing is easy. Premium users can share any radar with colleagues, and enterprise users can share radars with others outside of their domain. You can also fill out a radar yourself by clicking the Form button in the center. We'll cover that in more detail later. Finally, if you're a premium or enterprise subscriber, you have the added benefit of being able to edit any of the available radars. Let's dive into the Radar Architect. Here you can build and design your very own radars. This tool is both powerful and easy to use, giving you the ability to create truly bespoke radars. You can navigate through the different sections, categories, subcategories, questions and answers by simply clicking on the corresponding tabs. As you build out these sections, adding a clear description is key. Not only does this give context to anyone filling out the radar, but it also unlocks our exciting AI generation feature. This feature can automatically create radar content based on the description you provide. You'll also notice options to override 3 key initial questions: the radar name, which defaults to the user's name, the organization name, and the sector. These questions are included in all radars, unless you choose to override them with specific values. You can type in the organization name, while the sector is selected from a predefined drop-down list. Once you have a description you're happy with, click the robot button and watch the magic happen. The AI will automatically generate categories, subcategories, questions, and even the answers based on your description. You'll see the generated data displayed in a table, and your radar will render in real time right alongside it. This live preview shows you exactly how your radar will look, including the scoring for each answer. We always recommend reviewing each section carefully, editing and adding more details where needed to perfect your radar. Once you're satisfied with everything, just hit save, and your radar is ready to use. You'll find it in the radar catalog with all the other radars, where you have all the same options: share it, fill it in, edit it, expand the view, and even delete it. Let's quickly demonstrate what happens when you click Fill in Radar, and what your colleagues will see when they click on the shared link. An important point when editing a radar. Editing a custom radar creates a duplicate of the original with your modifications. This ensures you never accidentally overwrite your original design. Changed your mind and want to start over? No problem. Just click the Erase button, confirm your choice, and all your categories, subcategories, questions and answers will be wiped clean. Don't need a particular radar anymore? You can delete any radar you've created directly from your catalog. Just keep in mind that this won't remove it from the radar library of anyone you've already shared it with. The Collaborate section is where you'll see the results of any radars you've shared. It looks a lot like the radar library, with one key difference: folders. At a glance, you can see all the important folder information: the name, the number of radars inside, the description, the creation date, and its freshness score. To look inside a folder, simply click on the Expand button. Once expanded, you will be able to see all of the associated radars in the folder. You can also easily edit and update the folder name and description. To create a new folder, just click the Create button near the top right. Specify a folder name and a folder description and click the Create button. The new folder will then appear ready for use. You can manually add radars to this folder by selecting it from the drop-down list when you click the folder button below any radar. Once a radar is in a folder, you'll see it listed there, and you can easily remove it by clicking the Remove from Folder button. Now here's a really cool feature. When a shared radar receives more than 2 responses, the Collaborate page automatically creates a folder for that radar and places those responses inside. No manual work required. This makes it super easy to keep track of all your shared radar results.